Hi everybody, hope you're doing well today. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to, in Windows 11, remove the centered taskbar, as well as how to get rid of all the extra icons that are showing up down there to free up more space and simplify your desktop. So we're going to jump in here over on my screen. If you go into the settings, you can go to personalize, and then you can scroll down to taskbar. Or an even easier way is just to right click on your taskbar somewhere and click Taskbar Settings. And that's going to jump you into this screen here in the settings. So as you can see here, taskbar is centered, and then you have all these widgets and stuff on the side. We want to get all that turned off. So basically what you're going to do is you'll expand out these if they're not already. And you're going to just turn them off for any ones you don't want. So you can see here all these icons down here. You just turn them all off. And the excuse me, the widgets one there, you can see they actually put that on the left hand side now in the latest update of Windows. If your taskbar is set to the left, you would see that kind of sitting right in here. It used to be over here. They keep moving it around. Honestly, I've never found myself finding it super useful. So I turn all four of those off. The corner icons, I don't need on any of these touch things. You may not have that on your computer. These may already be off, but usually devices with touch screens, those are on. You can easily turn those off, free up some space there. Then you also have the ability to turn off some of the icons that are over here. So Windows Update Status, I leave that one on so I can see if there's a pending update. But for example, OneDrive, if you don't want that showing, you can turn that off there as well. And you can turn on or off any notifications you want to see by default down here. They all show anyways when you click on them there. And then lastly, Taskbar Behavior. This is where you move it back to the left. So if you're like me and you find that inconvenient, you just click that. Everything moves back over to the left. I think the most intuitive reason for that is if I want to go to start, I just swing my mouse to the bottom left corner of the screen, and that seems the most intuitive for me. If you have multiple monitors, there's more options in here that you can do, but that is how you clean up your start menu. All these other icons here that I have, you can simply get rid of by right-clicking and click Unpin from Taskbar. So if there's any other ones that you have down here that you don't want, you should now just be able to right click and remove them. Or if you want to add anything, you can right click on most things in the start menu and click Pin to Taskbar to add it down here. So hope that helps. Hopes that helps clean up this section. I have not found any way to change like this section here. This is your like notification area for changing device settings. I don't mind this too much. But I do wish maybe there was a way to simplify it, because I'm on a laptop, you know, it's obviously got the battery, things like that. There are plugins, things out there, obviously, that can customize this even more. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how in default Windows 11 to clean up, modify some of those things if you have found them annoying to you in any way. If you have any other questions related to this, leave a comment down below. Be happy to answer that for you. And I hope you have a great day.